Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hi, my name is Indah from Mulya and I'm currently a first year student in my second semester at PEM Akamigas Cepu, majoring in oil and gas logistics. In this video, I'll present my field operation report about oil and gas logistic operations. I will explain the background, objective, main process, facility operation, challenges, and also the importance of logistics in the oil and gas industry. So without further ado, let's get started. First, let's talk about the background. Oil and gas logistics operation involve various important activities such as transportations, storage, processing, and distribution. These activities are necessary to ensure that petroleum products can be delivered safely and efficiently from production source to end user. In addition, logistics operations also includes warehouse management. This is where important equipment, spare parts, and even hazardous materials are stored. If this system is not managed properly, it can cause serious problems such as operational delays, financial losses, and even safety risk. That is why having an effective logistics system is very important. It helps maintain energy supply, support operational efficiency, and ensure that sustainability of industrial activities. Now let's move on into the objective of this report. The first objective is to understand the operational activities and functions of each oil and gas logistics facility that was visited. The second objective is to identify the key equipment, processes, and safety procedures applied in several facilities, such as the fuel terminal, Aviation Fuel Terminal, LPG Depot, and Lube Oil Blending Plant. And the third objective is to analyze and compare the logistics workflows across these different facilities. Next, let's discuss the main logistics flow. In general, oil and gas logistics starts from the production stage, usually at a refinery or production source. After that, the products are transported using pipelines, tankers, or trucks. Then, the products move to storage facilities such as terminals or depots. In some cases, products also go through processing stages like filling, blending, or filtration. Finally, the products are distributed to the end users. In this flow, warehouse play an important role. They act as storage centers not only for products, but also for equipment and operational materials. Now, let's move to the first facility, which is the fuel terminal. Fuel terminals function as storage and distribution centers for fuel products such as gasoline and diesel. The main activities include receiving fuel from refineries, storing it in large tanks, checking product quality, loading fuel into tanker trucks, and distributing it to fuel stations or industries. Warehouse management in fuel terminals is very important. It ensures accurate stock recording and efficient scheduling so that there is no supply storages. The next facility is the Aviation Fuel Terminal or AFT. This facility specifically supports aviation fuel logistics at airports. The main processes include receiving aviation fuel, filtering it, storing it, and then delivering it directly to aircraft through refueling systems. Because aviation fuel is directly related to flight safety, the AFT must follow very strict international safety and quality standards. Inventory management in AFT is also done in real time so that fuel availability always matches flight schedules. Next, we have LPG Depot operations. This facility handles the storage and distribution of liquefied petroleum gas or LPG. The main activities include receiving LPG, storing it under pressure, filling cylinders, testing for leaks, and distributing it to customers. Safety is the most important aspect in LPG depots because LPG is highly flammable. Therefore, inventory systems must continuously monitor pressure levels and stock volume to prevent both storages and safety risk. Now, let's move on to the Lube Oil Blending Plant or LOBP. This facility focuses on producing lubricant products through blending processes. The stages include receiving base oil, mixing additives, blending them, packaging, storing finished products, and distributing them. Warehouse in LOBP must manage both raw materials and finished goods carefully because product quality must be maintained and cross-contaminations must be avoided. If we compare these four facilities, each of them has a different role. The fuel terminal focuses on fuel distributions. As for the AFT, focuses on aviation fuel supply. The LPG Depot focuses on gas distribution, and for the LOBP, focuses on lubricant production. Even though their functions are different, they all share similarities. They all require strong warehouse management, strict safety systems, and accurate inventory control. Now, let's talk about some challenges in oil and gas logistics operations. One major challenge is safety hazards. Because many products are flammable and toxic, another challenge is maintaining product quality throughout the supply chain. There are also challenges in inventory control, transportation scheduling, and equipment maintenance. In addition, companies must also comply with environmental regulations. All of these challenges require a well-integrated management system to ensure smooth operations. Now, why is oil and gas logistics so important? Effective logistics operations help ensure energy availability for communities and industries. They also support industrial continuity, improve efficiency, reduce operational costs, and maintain safety standards. Without a well-managed logistics system, the entire energy supply chain could be disrupted. Based on field observations, it can be concluded that oil and gas logistics operation must be well integrated to ensure safe, efficient, and sustainable energy distribution. Warehouse management, inventory control, and safety systems are the key elements that support successful operation. Without these elements, logistics operation would not run effectively. Based on the findings, there are several recommendations. First, improving automations in warehouse and inventory system to reduce human error. Second, strengthening safety systems through regular training and equipment inspection. Third, optimizing supply chain planning using data-driven tools. And lastly, enhancing sustainability by applying environmentally friendly practices. Alright, that brings us to the end of this video. Thank you so much for your attention. I hope these presentations help you understand oil and gas logistics operations more clearly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!